Welcome. In this video, we're going to talk about components. So in WebDigital, everything is a component. So if you look at here, for example, we have components for everything. If you look at the elements tree, there's the top level component, and then there is routers, which are themselves elements. So each component can have multiple elements, etc. But now it is possible to actually create custom components and use them. So let's talk about how to do that. So let's go to the About page here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a button for going to the home page. Or sorry, let's just make it a link. So in this case, we're going to make it a link over here. All right. So let's update the label here that says home page. All right. And we're gonna make this go to home page, obviously. All right. Let's just style this a little bit. I'm gonna add a little bit of border and maybe some padding. Or sorry, yeah, let's just add a little bit of padding equally on both sides. All right. And let's add a little shadow. So these are standard styles that we're going to be utilizing. All right. So let's say now I want to add a background color, but I want the background color to be different depending on where this button is. So how can I do that? So first of all, we need to make this a component on its own. So what we're going to do, we're going to say componentize. We're going to say home link. All right. So that creates a new component. So you can see it over here. A new component is created. You can look at the element tree. There's a home link here, and all the elements are underneath it. So what we're going to do now is let's click back into our link over here. So what we're going to do is you can see this is actually in a new component now called the home link component. So I'm going to be going to the classes. I'm going to add a new class. Let's say this is home link, right? So we added a new class over here, and let's make this the default, right? So by default, it's going to have a light blue background. And what we want to do now is I want to add another one that says if it's under something like red home, then what we want to do is the background color, let's say red or light salmon. All right, so we can test this now. So let's go to the component. This is the component element that renders that component. So if I actually give that component a new class red, you can see it changes. So that's basically how you can customize the component based on different usages. So let's go to maybe another page here, and let's try to add that new component. So we can click on the components here. You can see it's appearing there, and yeah. So it's as simple as that. So, and for this one, we can actually add the red class, and yeah. So this is how you can have it. So if we can go to the About page, and it's over here. Let's go to the front end and test this out. So in the front end, so this is going to the home page as we saw before. Again, home page. It works. That's about it. Thank you very much.